Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to teach you guys a new strategy. Okay, this is used for index, that is Nifty in Bank Nifty. So the strategy is pretty simple and very straightforward. Okay, for this what we are going to do is we require a couple of indicators. The first one is called as the twin indicator. In order for you to get that, just go and type TOTT. Okay, you get this twin optimized trend tracking strategy. Okay, we require this one, and after that you also require stochastic momentum. So if you just type STO, you see this one, right? The stochastic momentum index, SMI. Okay, this is the one which you're supposed to use. It's not this or this, it is this one. Okay, stochastic momentum index, SMI. Okay, this is the one. So once you have these two, just switch that on. Okay, so this is how it's going to look. Initially we are going to use only the 1 minute time frame for this particular strategy. Okay, so in this strategy, just ignore, if you see these green bands, right, ignore about the colors. That's not important for you. The only thing that's important for you is this blue line. You get this blue line. That's the only thing which is important for you. So the strategy is very, very simple, guys. It's like, let me give you an example and show you how it is. So let's say, if the price is above this blue line, right, we are going to look only for upward opportunities, which is bullish opportunities. So when are we going to enter is, once the price is above this line, we are going to wait and see to give a bullish view in the stochastic momentum. So let's say, we waited here, we didn't get any, we got sell entry, but we are in the uptrend. We are above this line, right? We are above this line. So the price is actually trading in this way. So we can't go for a sell, when the stochastic gives you. We are going to look for a bullish entry. So exactly, at this point, that is exactly at this particular point, we got an entry. Okay, the price, the stochastic momentum gave you a bullish signal right here. Okay, I'll just mark this. Okay, so once you get that, you can enter around these levels. Okay, and keep your stop loss below. So maybe you can enter short here, sorry, you can enter long. Keep your stop loss at the swing of this one or the blue line. Okay, and then your profit is going to be the swing, right, the next swing. So you can see clearly we got a winning trade right here. So very similarly, we'll wait for another. So again, we got a bullish entry right here. So what we are going to do is we are going to enter exactly, we got a bullish entry at these levels. Okay, so we are going to enter long here. Keep your stop loss below the blue line or the swing, and we got a huge target right here as well. So now, okay, the price has come down. It's broken the blue line and it has come down, but we are supposed to look for shorting opportunities right here. But as soon as we could enter, we can see exactly at this particular candle, we entered back at the upward trend right here. You get this? So, and over here we can see we clearly came back on the upper side. So this candle shows we are on the buy side. So what we are going to do is we are going to enter long here. Keep your stop loss below this, or you can keep it near the swing high. So you have two options to keep your stop loss. One is you can either keep it here, or you can also keep it at these levels. Fine, but in this case, I'll keep it below the blue line, and then you can see we got a target of 1:3. Almost 1:3. Okay, so this strategy is so simple, guys. It's mostly used like somewhere between a scalping strategy. This is used, but what I would recommend is you're going to stick on for the rules. Okay, only if there's if the rules are met, you're going to enter. If not, you're not going to enter. So again, over here we can see the price is trading below. At this point, it broke up and it went up, but we didn't get an entry. But exactly at this particular candle, we did get an entry, right? See over here, the band is entered. Sorry, the stochastic has entered up. So maybe we can enter here. I'll keep my stop loss here and keep my target around these areas. Okay, so, and you can see this. So how we got the profit. So this is a very simple strategy, guys. So we are just going to use two indicators, all right? That is TOTT, and it's called stochastic momentum. So this is a very basic strategy which I've taught you guys. So if you need more strategies like these and more higher risk and reward strategies, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you and have a wonderful day.